Oh, whoa, whoa, that purple is shifty. Hi, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for being with me here today for this video, which is going to be my first impressions of this palette, the Bijou Brilliance Holiday Palette from McGrath. I haven't even opened it yet, so let's get into it. Oh, this is so pretty. Here's the palette, so beautiful. Here's the information on the back. Hopefully you can see that. I don't know if I've got it lined up properly. Let's look inside. So here's the palette. Yeah. I don't know why I'm not more excited about this. I forgot that this had blush, and I'm wearing some blush already. I was using my Hourglass palette, but just for fun, let's add this blush here. Ooh, why did I go in so hard? She's pigmented. I feel like that is my hair. I feel like it is a little bit more of a like deep fall tone, whereas the blush that I just put on is a little bit brighter pink that I was wearing. I am gonna blend that in, don't worry. Okay, so let's take a really good look at this palette. Essentially, you've got a bunch of neutrals over here, and then a couple of fun pops and a fun deepening up shade. You can do like a really colorful, fun colored eye look with these, obviously. Or you can take this for a neutral palette and then have like a fun little pop for the inner corner, or use maybe, hopefully this will work for an inner corner for me. But I'm excited to see if like maybe this could be one of my travel palettes that is what I intended it for. Like if I do travel, I think that I would want to take this palette with me. So let's see if I can get a fun look out of it. Taking a rougher 15 into the lightest brown in the palette. Probably loaded my brush up a little much, but okay. That's a beautiful color, and I'm applying it really softly, like with the softest pressure. And these are going on my more cool tone base, my MAC Paint Pot and Painterly. So I feel like it is bringing my browns out to be a little bit more rosy than they normally are on my soft ochre base. But I think it looks really pretty. And I feel like these browns probably do have a hint of pink under them because, I mean, it is a Pat McGrath release. I do want to take it in the direction. Oh, whoa, whoa, that purple is shifty. It looks completely different. It looks green. That's green to purple. Guys, whoa, I didn't realize. Yeah, see, there it is. Can you see the color? It's not just that it's dark, it shifts. I wasn't ready for this shade yet, but oh my God, I have to put this on my eye. I just can't not. Oh. Oh my God. Look at that in the light. Oh, I really hope that you're getting a little bit of that effect. Oh my God. Holy moly, guys. Whoa. Okay. I'm going to take this cute little detailed brush and I'm going to pick up that shade. Can you even see the shift on the brush? Yeah, you can a little bit. Oh my God, let's just see what happens. Oh. Take it up onto the lid and just the tiniest little bit into the crease. I am going to deepen up my outer corner. Holy moly, that's beautiful. I really don't think it's capturing the effect on my camera for you. Just like when I did the Natasha Denona Trio Chrome, the mini Trio Chrome that just came out. Like it just looked kind of flat blue on my video. It didn't show the lilac at all. So I haven't figured out, especially because I'm really new to multi-chromes and stuff, like chromatic shadows. I haven't really figured out how to show you that yet in the video. Okay, I really like that. Whoa, is that another shifty shade? I'm not sure. I'm gonna take this pretty, like, it looks very red on the screen, but it's a little bit more plum burgundy. Whoa, that shade is powdery. Oh my God. Okay, I feel like that's beautiful. It's really, really beautiful. Kind of mixing this plum into that crease color that I had. I really like the way that looks. Wow, I really, really did not think that I was gonna have so much fun already, just like 2 shades in. What, 3 shades in? Those are so, wow. Okay, sorry, I was staring at the screen. Those colors turned out nothing like what I expected when I looked at them in the palette, which is probably why I wasn't quite as excited as I am right now. Right now, my heart's all aflutter. I'm like, whoa, look at this. Okay, where's my Cinch Beauty blender? Okay, I just want to take this and blend up my edges a little bit before I do much more. Oh my God, this palette is so pretty. I've used like 3 shades and I'm not done. Okay, I'm gonna take this little detailed brush from BK Beauty, that's the number. And just sticking with this like rosy kind of shade that I've got going, I'm gonna try this pink here on the inner part of the eyelid. Oh my goodness. Holy shit. I don't know. I'm sorry for the face I just made when I was like trying to shift it. Oh my God. That just like turned the entire thing into a party. Okay, I need to do that with the other eye, but I got excited and set down the palette and forgot, lost my track. Okay. Whoa, guys. Holy moly, that pink is really fun and bright and kind of shifty in its own right. And I think I'm gonna just build it all the way up because, whoa, I want it all the way. I want you to see a whole bunch of that pink. Oh my God. Wow. Whoa. It does not look on camera as amazing as it does in person. Whoa. Okay. I'm getting carried away with the top. Let me do something with the bottom for a minute. Okay, I want to stick with this bold berry shade in the middle. That was my dog snorting over there. Okay, so I've got a little gap there in the corner, and I could own it and make it look like I'm trying to do a funky eye, but I prefer to just fill it in. You can do whatever you want when you get something like that. I'm gonna just fill it in, kind of connect it over to my wing, and just make sure that my outer corner is all shaded in. Okay. Wow. This palette is so much more thrilling than it looks, especially in the photographs. Okay, so I'm not quite done with the lower lash line. I'm gonna go into this, no, I wanna see what this yellow looks like. It looks really gold. I feel like it would look really good with the brown shades especially, but I wanna just see what it does right here. That yellow shimmer pairs so beautifully with this burgundy. Oh my gosh. And it's just like a little unexpected pop with the rest of the color story. I could have done like the light pink, but I feel like this gives it a little bit more of a different vibe. I do want to see what this looks like because it looks like it's shifting from like a pale to something baby pink. So I'm going to use this Lunar Beauty brush. It's like a little shader, the fluffy one, not the flat one. And oh my God, I'm just putting that up there. That has like a pink fiery shift to it. Of course it does. Wow, look at that. That is so pretty. I like that. Okay. Now I just want to see what that shade does. I'm going to just put this. Oh, what? With the light shining on it, I really see what that did. I am not sure if you're getting the effect on the camera. I really hope so, because otherwise I just look stupid with the faces that I'm making for nothing. Okay, can you see the, my dog. Can you see that like brightening effect that gave? Wow, this palette is stunning. I'm gonna take this little bitty inner corner highlight brush and just take some of this matte here to buff out that lower lash line where I've got that really rich burgundy, just to smoke that out a little bit. There we go. Soften it up. Here's my first look with this palette. I really like it. Let me count and see how many shades that I used today. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Essentially, I have this matte here and this shimmer here that I haven't used. Here's the finished eyeshadow look for my first time to play with the palette. Let me add some eyeliner and mascara, and I'll be right back to show you the completed look. Okay, friends, here's the finished look for my very first time to play with this palette. Let me show you what I completed the eyes with. I did use my black Urban Decay Kohl pencil in my upper waterline. I did my lower waterline with the Natasha Denona Macro Tech in the burgundy shade. I did a wing liner with my Natasha Denona Work Set Plus. For mascara today, I used my Bad Gal Bang, and I did curl my lashes with my Rougher Lash Curler today, which is my favorite lash curler of all time. And here's the finished look. Yeah. Anyways, let's take a really, really close look at the eyes. I don't know if you'll be able to get the shift by looking at it this closely, but anyways, I really, really like the palette. No surprise. I mean, it should be no surprise that I love the palette a lot more than I anticipated. But it is actually a surprise to me that I love it as much as I do, because when I looked at the photographs and when I first opened the palette, oh geez. And when I first opened the palette and looked at it, I didn't think I was going to be as excited about it as I am. But now that I've seen what most of these shades actually perform like, I'm really excited about this palette, and I'm so happy to have it in my collection. Yeah, now I want to know. Now I want to know your thoughts on this particular palette from the whole collection. Did you pick this one up? Are you gonna pick this one up? I'd love to know. Comment down below. Again, here's all of the shade names, and this one is the purple palette. I really, really love the look that I created today. I had a lot of fun playing with this palette and hanging out with you. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, please be sure to click the like button. It really does help my small channel out so much. And make sure you subscribe to my channel so I can see you in my next video. Bye.